Spark plug replacement for Westinghouse generators. Please check the manual for exact procedures for your specific model. Turn the generator off and allow the engine to cool for 30 minutes. Remove the spark plug boot by pulling away from the engine and inspect for any buildup dirt. Remove your spark plug with your spark plug socket wrench included with your Westinghouse generator. The side with the small hole should be on top when placing the socket over your spark plug. Take your rod and thread it through the socket wrench to loosen the spark plug. Once loosened with the rod, you can finish unscrewing with your hand and the spark plug socket wrench. Take out the spark plug and inspect it. If pitted, burned, or cracked, replace the spark plug. Take your spark plug gap gauge and measure your spark plug gap with the gauge. Check your generator's manual for the correct gap measurement. Once properly gapped, rescrew the spark plug back in. Then tighten an additional 3/8 to half turn with the spark plug wrench. And put the spark plug boot back on.